How to top up pocket option account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're wondering how to fund your account in pocket option, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the pocket option application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the wallet icon in green at the top right corner. In the pop-up, you will be able to see the payment method. Tap the drop-down and select your payment methods such as crypto, e-wallets, or bank cards. Choose the one that is easiest and available for your region. Not every payment method might be available to you because of your region, so go ahead and select any one method and then follow through the instructions. Select your country or your region and then choose a deposit method from the bottom menu. Once you do that, on the next page, go ahead and enter the amount you want to deposit. Beginners should always start small just to understand how everything works. Once you've done that, if you've got a promo code, you can check this little square box at the bottom and enter the promo code that you have. Once you do that, you can go to the right hand corner and tap on Continue and Pay option. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and you may be redirected to a payment page where you confirm the transaction. After your payment is successful, your balance usually updates within a few seconds or minutes. Once done, your funds will appear in your account. So that's how your account is topped up and ready to explore trading features in pocket option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.